Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to check for a nearby Snapchat user. To find a nearby user on Snapchat, you could use a snap map by tapping on the map icon. So you could log into your Snapchat account, make sure that the application is completely up to date. After which, click on the map icon from the home page, and there you could find a user who's nearby to you by locating onto the map. So here you could go ahead and locate onto the map just by exploring all the options. You could zoom in and out on your current location on the map to see your friends who have a close to share the location as well. And next, you could just tap onto the friend's Bitmoji to view the profile and start the chat as well. And you could also look for activity map hotspot, which shows area with the recent public stories, and tap on them to find the user profile as well. So this is how you could check a nearby Snapchat user. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.